2000 Audi TT.
Quedó muy cool.
Gracias. ¿Sellaron?
¿Qué hago ahorita?
¿Sellaron?
Sí, ¿qué hago ahorita?
Se mira bien. El azul igual.
Sí.
Oh, pero lo va a pintar ahorita.
No, pero sí, vamos a pintar.
Él sigue puliendo el oro. Tiene que ser. Oh, está adentro, ¿ah?
Está pintando.
Ok, ¿qué más?
Este bumper lo puedo terminar de lijar. Necesito 1500.
Ok.
1500 no tengo.
1500. We don't have no 1500?
Do I have it?
1500?
No, I don't.
Wait, should clear or what?
Well, I see a little, I see a little bit like a blemish. See that blemish right there? So I'm gonna fix it right now. You see that right here?
Oh yeah, modeling.
So, you rid of it. Put a little bit of clear, right? A little bit of color.
I do that too.
What? You do what?
Watch out for the. You're not overspraying the molding though.
We'll be all right now.
Then we're gonna have problems. Yeah, that looks good. To make sure you don't got nothing on. I would just take a wet rag and just make sure.
Ever heard the old saying, change is good?
It should have no overspray on
At
that.
Bank of the West, we couldn't agree more. So much so that between now and March 7th, 2014, you can get up to $150
That's good.
to celebrate making a change.
How's it going tomorrow?
Say you're getting married, then you
Yeah.
need to join checking account. Or maybe you've got a new address, then you want a bank nearby to go with it. We got you covered. Not going for a full life change? That's okay. Or for small changes, like starting a new hobby, going to the gym.